children in the distant house. They have feelings only children know. But the lover whose bird is flown catches nothing, only flakes of snow. The sensation is not new to you. It's something we all have known. You get it, it goes right through you. Yes, it's something we all have known. And the bird is flown to a place on its own, somewhere